Hello learners, here Mr. G, and in this video is going to be a very short video just to practice how to calculate the equivalent resistance for certain circuit. This is very easy. Okay, the first circuit is a resistor. You can see the circuit in which you have three resistors connected in series. You need to remember that the resistance in series, or the equivalent resistance in series, is equal to the addition of all the resistance that are connected in series. Say that is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So in this case will be a 6 ohm plus 4 ohm plus 8 ohm. And the answer is going to be 18 ohm. Alright, so that is the first question. Is very easy. Now the second question, you can see that the resistors are connected in parallel. Remember, the first thing you do is to identify how is the connection. In this case, they are in parallel. Now, when the resistors are connected in parallel, the formula is 1 divided by the equivalent resistance in parallel is equal to 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. And if you substitute this one, you have that 1 divided by Rp is equal to 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8. And then the answer for this one, for this calculation, will be, the answer of this one is going to be 13 divided by 24. So we have that 1 divided by Rp is equal to 13 divided by 24. So if you want to calculate Rp, which is the actual question, will be 13 divided by 24 to the negative 1, or you change the places. Okay, so Rp is going to be equal to 1,85 ohm. This here is the same as just changing the places and say that Rp is equal to 24 divided by 13. So this is the same. It's the same as saying to the negative 1, and the answer will be 1,85. Okay, and then the final one. Now we have a little bit more difficult case. It's not that difficult, eh? But here we have a resistors in series connected to two resistors in parallel. So what you need to know, or what you need to remember, the total resistance of the circuit is going to be equal to Rs plus Rp. So here we have to calculate Rp. Which resistors are in parallel? These two are in parallel. So these two will be Rp. Now, how do you calculate they are in parallel? We have two options. One option is the first, the one we used here, and the other option is a formula for when you have two resistors. Here you have that 1 divided by Rp is equal to 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8. So 1 divided by Rp is equal to 3 over 8. 3 over 8. Okay? So, if you want to do this one, the final answer is not that one, then you have to say that Rp is equal to 8 over 3, or 3 over 8 to the negative 1. So, Rp is equal to 2,67 ohm. That is Rp. Option 2, you can say that Rp is equal to the product of R1 and R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Remember, this one is only for two resistors. Okay, so here Rp will be equal to R1 is 4 times 8 divided by 4 plus 8, and the answer is going to be 2,67 ohm. So you can use either one. So what is the final answer? The final answer, we have to come back here. Remember, Rt is equal to 6 plus Rp, which is equal to 2,67 So our total is equal to 8,67 ohm. This is the question, this is the answer. I hope you do understand. It's quite easy. We see how calculating the resistance of a series circuit, a parallel circuit, and when we have a simple combination. Next video will be a little bit more tricky. We're going to be checking some questions, but from previous question papers. Thank you for watching. If you think it helped, thumb up, and good luck.